Welcome to Vocabulary Pro.
Hello everyone, welcome to Vocabulary Proo. In today's video, we will follow a family's daily life, doing laundry, going shopping, and having fun together. You will hear real, simple English conversations that you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and try to learn new words and sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin our family story adventure.
Oh, so many clothes today. I must wash them. The basket is full.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm getting ready to wash the clothes. See, they are dirty.
My t-shirt is also there. It has a big stain.
Yes, I saw it. You spilled juice on it yesterday.
Sorry, Mom. Can you remove the stain?
Don't worry. I will use detergent. It will be clean again.
Mama, here are my socks. Please wash them too.
Thank you, Anu. Put them in the basket.
Mama, why do we separate white clothes from colored clothes?
Because white clothes get dirty easily. We wash them separately.
Oh, now I understand.
Good morning, everyone. Here are my trousers. Please add them too.
Give them to me. But they are very dusty. Where did you go?
I went to the garage yesterday. That's why they're dirty.
Okay, I will wash them.
Rohan, please pour the detergent.
This one? The blue packet?
Yes, put 2 spoons.
Can I press the start button?
Yes, go ahead.
Yay! The machine is working.
Good. Now let's fold the clean clothes.
Folding is boring.
No, folding makes clothes tidy.
Yes, if you keep clothes tidy, your cupboard looks nice.
Okay, laundry is done. Now we must go to the mall. We need shampoo and groceries.
Yay! Shopping!
Can we also buy some chocolates?
Let's see. First, we buy what we need. The parking lot is full today.
Yes, many people come on weekends.
Papa, park near the entrance.
I'm trying, but no space here.
Look there! That car is leaving.
Good eyes, Anu. Okay, we will park here.
Remember, our car is on level 2, row B.
Don't worry, I will remember.
Wow, so many shops.
Let's go to the toy shop first.
No, first we buy shampoo and groceries.
Always boring things first.
Rohan, shopping is about responsibility. We buy needs before wants.
Okay, Papa.
First, shampoo.
Look, Mama, so many shampoos on the shelf.
Which one do you like?
I want the family pack. It is cheaper.
I want the one with a football picture.
I want the strawberry shampoo.
We cannot buy 3 shampoos.
Kids, listen. We will buy one big family pack and next time maybe a small one for you.
Okay, Papa.
Now, groceries. We need rice, flour, and milk.
I will take the rice. It is heavy.
Mama, can I pick biscuits? Just 1 packet, not too many.
And I want chips.
Okay, but only one small packet.
I want 2 biscuits.
And I want 2 chips.
Oh no, stop fighting.
Children, listen. Life is not about always getting more. Be happy with what you get. 1 packet is enough.
Okay, Papa.
Sorry, Mama.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want a carry bag?
Yes, please.
That will be 1,250 rupees.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN. Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Mama, can we eat ice cream?
Yes, please, Papa. Ice cream.
Oh no, more demands.
Okay, but only 1 ice cream each.
Yay! Thank you, Papa.
Today was busy. We did laundry, shopping, and had ice cream.
Yes, but we did it together as a family.
I liked them all.
I liked the ice cream.
And I liked the clean clothes.
That's the best part of family. Everyone enjoys something different, but we stay together.
Thank you for watching this story. Today we learned many small, simple English words. If you learn a little every day, your English will improve. Speak English daily, even simple words. Practice makes you perfect. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Write in the comments what new English words you learned today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!